Okay. So next, everyone, we move on to problems on section formula and collinearity. Okay, section formula and collinearity. Now, in that, the first sum. Okay, so question number 5 का first problem. Okay, first problem ये है a bar b bar, then c जो पॉइंट है वो है 2a bar plus 3b bar, 2a bar plus 3b bar, and d जो है वो है 2a bar minus b bar. Okay, that means all basically C bar is given to be 2a bar plus 3b bar, and D bar is given to be 2a bar minus b bar. Okay. And please understand, A bar and D bar are position vectors of points A and D. ठीक है? Position vectors of points A and D. Now, everyone, to check whether these points are collinear, A, B, C and A, B, D are collinear, ऐसा. There are two methods which are possible. Okay, two methods which are possible. Now, first method, form a vector AB bar and form a vector AC bar. जैसे AB bar is directly only B bar minus A bar. Form a vector AC bar भी बोला है मैंने, C bar minus A bar. But C bar itself is 2A bar plus 3B bar minus A bar. Therefore, I will get A bar plus 3B bar. Observe that. AC bar is not a scalar multiple of AB bar. Scalar multiple of AB bar. Therefore, AB bar and AC bar are not collinear vectors. Therefore, points A, B, C are not collinear. A, B, C are not collinear. ठीक है? Method 2. Method 2 is where we will try to write some kind of section formula, be it internal or external, using the relation given. For example, अगर ये होता C bar is equal to 2A bar plus 3B bar upon 5 अगर होता तो I would have written it 2A bar plus 3B bar upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 plus 3 ऐसे लिख दिया तो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला सामने दिख रहा है. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला मतलब क्या? C divides AB in some ratio. That has to be true only when points ABC are full. So I understand इधर 2A bar plus 3B bar दिखा मेरे को, okay, cannot be expressed as section formula. Hence, क्या लिखोगे? Points A, B, C are not collinear points, are non-collinear points. मतलब A और B इधर होगा तो C शायद इधर होगा. So they are non-collinear points. ठीक है? तो ये हो गया ऑल टू शो दैट पॉइंट ABC आर कोलिनियर और नो। फर्स्ट मेथड, फॉर्म टू वेक्टर्स। याद रखना, scalar multiple of a vector. If one vector is a scalar multiple of the other, then the two vectors become collinear vectors. है ना? इस थिंकिंग के हिसाब से मैंने दो वेक्टर बनाए, याद रखना ये पॉइंट है ना, ये पॉइंट A है, ये पॉइंट B है, ये दो वेक्टर एज इट इज नहीं है, so I have to form vector. So I formed vector AB bar, I formed vector AC bar, बराबर? So I formed vector AB, formed vector AC, and then observe that AC bar और AB bar में कोई स्केलर मल्टीपल आ नहीं सकता, hence he said not collinear. The vectors are non-collinear, that means points also cannot be on the same line, na? That is obvious. So it gets done. Now let's look at second part. Okay, D bar is 2A bar minus B bar whole है. Let us once again talk about AB bar. Okay, this is first method. AB bar is nothing but D bar minus A bar. AD bar ढूंढते, AD bar, अच्छा AD bar नहीं ढूंढना है, BD bar, कोई भी वेक्टर, दो वेक्टर चाहिए मेरे, so दो वेक्टर ढूंढो, so AD bar मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, AD bar किया तो D bar minus A bar आएगा, D bar minus A bar है, but D bar itself is what? 2A bar minus B bar minus A bar. So I'll get what? I'll get A bar minus B bar, which I write as minus of B bar minus A bar. Therefore, minus AD bar. AD bar is minus AD bar. AD bar is minus AD bar. So can I say basically it means AD bar is minus 1 into AD bar. Now everyone, absolutely crystal clear आपके दिमाग में ये बैठना चाहिए यार, ये जो मैं आगे लिख रहा हूं. Therefore, AD bar is a scalar multiple of AB bar. Therefore, AB bar and AD bar are collinear vectors. With common point A. Okay, with common point A. ये लिखना बहुत important है. Are collinear vectors with common point A. Why is it so important for us to write that down? You have written scalar multiple, so they are collinear vectors. But collinear vectors का definition क्या है? Vectors lying along the same line or parallel to the same line. Vectors lying along the same line or parallel to the same line. अब अगर parallel to the same line होगा भाई, then collinear points का कैसे होगा? Collinear points का definition में कोई फर्क नहीं आया है. Collinear points are what? Points lying on the same line. Full stop. तो अगर ऐसे वेक्टर्स मिले अपने को, कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर थोड़ी ना होंगे. बट आपके दो जो वेक्टर्स हैं उनमें दोनों में ए तो है. सो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि ए बी बार, पॉइंट ए ये है, पॉइंट बी ये है, तो ए बी बार है. एंड देन आई कांट हैव ए डी बार. पॉइंट ए कांट बी हियर एंड हियर, नॉट पॉसिबल. पॉइंट ए एक सेम है, so क्या होगा? These will have to overlap, and that's exactly what you are going to write here with common point A. Therefore, points ABD are collinear. Points ABD are collinear. ठीक है? This completes the sentence. Okay. और मैंने क्या बोला? सेक्शन फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से can we write D bar is equal to 2A bar minus B bar दिया हुआ है. Is it fine if I write 2A bar minus B bar upon 2 minus 1? 2a बार माइनस b बार अपॉन 2 माइनस 1 चलेगा, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because the denominator is still 1 only. But what does this imply? This implies d divides ab d divides ab externally in the ratio. D divides AB externally in the ratio. अच्छा, याद रखना हमेशा, ये पहले भी मैंने बोला है, जब AB लिखो तो B का जो भी कोएफिशिएंट है वो पहले लिखना है. सो AB, B का कोएफिशिएंट 1. सो इन द रेशियो 1:2. इन द रेशियो 1:2. आप ये कंफर्म भी कर सकते हो. ओके, मान लो ये AB हुआ, ये AB हुआ. Okay, and I have to talk about a point which divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So D must be outside the segment AB closer to A because 1:2 है. So A is closer to D. That means ये point इधर होगा, point D इधर होगा, and this is 1 and this is 2. And section formula कैसा अप्लाई करते हैं आप? You all apply by saying, say normally how you apply m:n. So m b bar होता है. So it will be 1 b bar minus n a bar upon m minus n, which is exactly what you have got here, written उल्टा. Doesn't matter. इसीलिए मैंने तुम लोग को बोला when you write d divides ab एक्सटर्नली इंटरनली कुछ भी हो जाए. ओके, AB B का कोएफिशिएंट आपको पहले लिखना है विदाउट फेल. B कोएफिशिएंट हैज टू कम फर्स्ट. ओके, सो 1:2 एक्सटर्नली. बट व्हाट डज ऑल दिस मीन? सेक्शन फार्मूला वगैरह कभी आएगा इन पिक्चर? ओनली व्हेन पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. सो यू write this down, you can draw this figure and talk about all this. That is only for your reference. Moment you write this, you will say therefore points ABD are collinear, and that is the problem. ठीक है? चलो फटाफट लिख दो. Okay, absolutely quickly. चलो सेकेंड वन. सेकेंड सम में एवरीवन सेकेंड सम में ये है गिवन a बार एंड b बार. चलो ग्रेट, a बार एंड b बार अभी भी है. ओके, b बार, यस, डन. देन see the point on segment BA produced. Okay, segment BA produced. So here we are talking about segment BA. Segment BA produced such that AC is 3 times AB. AC is 3 times AB. So I understand ऐसे होगा ये. Okay, AC is 3 times AB. Please understand all what they have said is AC 3 times AB. This is a length relation. Okay, it's a length relation. It is in terms of magnitude. It is in terms of magnitude. Okay, it is in terms of magnitude. It is not AC bar is equal to 3 times AB bar. ये हो भी सकता है, लेकिन फिलहाल जो ये दिया है ये नहीं. We have to think about it and then we'll confirm कि भाई हाँ यही है. Okay, but before that I cannot write. Okay, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन भी मेरे को सामने देखना पड़ेगा. So once again everyone, what is given? दो पॉइंट दिया है, B bar A bar दिया है, alright, and they said C is on a point on segment BA produced. Segment BA produced means I have extended it. Okay, as in ray BA, and AC is 3 times A. AC is 3 times A. ये मालूम पड़ गया. Now find C bar in terms of A bar and B bar. Okay, that's not a problem at all. Not a problem at all. Can I say all your first method? First method. लेंथ रिलेशन को अगर मैंने डायरेक्शन के साथ बताया तो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने को वेक्टर रिलेशन मिलेगा. अब देखो जरा, ए सी जो है ये लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहा है, ए बी जो है वो राइट से लेफ्ट जा रहा है, राइट से लेफ्ट. दैट मीन्स कैन आई से द वेक्टर रिलेशन for what is given will be AC bar is equal to 3 times BA bar. AC bar is equal to 3 times BA bar. alright, BA बोला तो ये सेम डायरेक्शन होगा. alright, सेम डायरेक्शन होगा. नहीं तो आपको AC bar is -3 AB bar लिखना पड़ेगा. either way, up to you. So AC bar is 3 BA bar लिखा, खत्म हो गया. Therefore C bar minus A bar is 3 times A bar minus B bar. So C bar will be, A bar को इधर लिख आओ, 4A bar minus 3B bar. I think this is C bar in terms of A and B, A bar and B bar. Okay. Another. Okay. Is it fair to say, all of y'all, this is 3 parts when this is 1 part. 3 parts when this is 1 part. Either way. Alright. So it's like telling you that A divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3. आप सोच के देखो इसका मतलब यही होता है कि नहीं. और नहीं, A is common point, so A is like the point of division, and someone is telling you अरे AC जो है AB से 3 times है. So isn't it fair to say that A divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3? So A divides BC divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3. In the ratio 1:3. Can we apply section formula here? Clear, एकदम easy, straightforward. A bar is equal to 1 into C bar plus 3 into B bar upon 1 plus 3. Therefore C bar will be 4A bar minus 3B bar, which is exactly what you got. C bar will be, final answer, 4A bar minus 3B bar. Absolutely clear, perfect, no problems at all. Okay, फटाफट ये भी लिखो, and ये लिखना प्लीज, ये लिखना लेंथ रिलेशन है, मैग्नीट्यूड रिलेशन है, इसको ऐसे करके नहीं लिख सकते हैं. ये जरा नोट करके बराबर पेज पे लिखना, where you are writing down. Okay, and then I have given you all 2 ways to look at it. One is convert it into that vector, corresponding vector relation. and then write the Quotient vector form, or look at the figure and try to understand कि भाई सेक्शन फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से अपन कैसे सोच सकते हैं, उस हिसाब से राइट डाउन दिया. All right. Okay. Let's have a look at the next one. Next one, we're looking at question number 3. Very easy, very straightforward sum. If the vectors are parallel or collinear, find P. If the vectors are parallel or collinear, find P. Now A bar is a vector. It is not quotient vector of point A. I am writing A bar is 3I bar minus 5J bar plus K bar. And B bar is 9I bar minus 15J bar plus PK bar. And everyone, आप लोग सब लोग देख के बोल दोगे P is what 3, and it is as simple. That's it. Okay? क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से if they are collinear vectors, अभी लिखने के लिए कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा आपको? Since A bar and B bar are collinear vectors. Are collinear vectors. Okay? Therefore, B bar is a scalar multiple. Is a scalar multiple of A bar. Is a scalar multiple of A bar. Okay? Therefore, I will write 9I bar minus 15J bar and plus PK bar is M times 3I bar minus 5J bar plus K bar. Can we now equate the coefficients, everyone? I can directly say equating coefficients. Okay, therefore 9s3m implies ms3, and P is m into 1, so P is m, therefore P is also. I think that's the solution to be written. To be written solution ये ऐसा लिखना चाहिए. अच्छा, everyone, another thing. When you are solving MCQs, this is going to be of great help. Okay, A bar equal to A1I bar plus A2J bar plus A3K bar. And B bar is equal to B1I bar plus B2J bar plus B3K bar are collinear. Okay, this implies A1 upon B1 is equal to A2 upon B2 is equal to A3 upon B3. ये हमेशा याद रखना. The corresponding coefficients will be in proportion. Okay, that means we know 9/3 जो है वही इधर होगा, 1/3 होगा. Immediately P3, and which is exactly what you all have also thought of ना. जैसे मैंने क्वेश्चन लिखा था तभी तुम में से बहुत लोगों ने बोला होगा कि यार ये क्यों कर रहे हैं सब, P को 3 होना पड़ेगा. Then only they can be collinear. Then only you can have scalar multiple. So I understand the same thing I have integrated to you here. Okay, if A bar equal to so and so, B bar equal to so and so are collinear, then it implies coefficients are in proportion. ठीक है, ये जरा नोट करके रखो. And this also important, mark it important and note it down. सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ये मैं छोड़ रहा हूं आपके लिए. Alright, when they say harmonically in the ratio. What do you mean by this harmonically in the ratio? It means internally in that ratio. पहला point internally in that ratio, दूसरा point externally in that ratio. ऐसा है. First point is internally in the ratio and second point is externally in the ratio. So first one internally in the ratio 1:3 and दूसरा वाला externally in the ratio 1:3. Now A and B are given. So if I take C and D, they have given already. C bar will be n b bar plus n a bar upon 1 plus 3. ये जरा ढूंढ लो आप खुद ही. And d bar will be b bar minus a bar upon 1 minus 3. Please all of you all please note that it will be 1 minus 3. हाँ, तुम लोग MCQ सॉल्व करते वक्त ये 110% मिस्टेक होने का चांस है. ये किधर अपॉन -2 is -2. Okay, and many of us will forget. We will do b bar minus a bar, ये अपन करेंगे, and divide by -2 ये भूल जाएंगे या divide by 2 करेंगे, गड़बड़. Please be careful, and they will invariably give externally में small is to big. So that when you subtract, you get a negative value there, and you have to be careful. Divide by that negative number करना है, नहीं तो mistake. Okay, always externally they will always give you small is to big, so that you do it properly, and you have small minus big means negative denominator, and accordingly things will change in the numerator. So please be careful about that. This I think I can leave it to you. You will solve this, do the solving yourself and get the answer. ठीक है, फटाफट ये नोट कर लो.